Hello, shalom, hola, salud, good morning. You can see the beautiful skyline there, but I would like to see the downtown. And the same time, I would like to share with you how beautiful listen all the birds singing in this beautiful morning. The February, we are in the month of the love. So beautiful sky, line, and there the skyline. Beautiful skyline there in this morning. I try to not talk loud because I want to record in the beautiful birds singing. Was singing so beautiful. I think so maybe they're singing when it's early, very early in the morning. All trees already have sprout. More the trees in there have a sprout. May the Lord bless us all and destroy all evil in the world for his glory name. Blessing the Lord Almighty.